Hey, welcome to Super Hero's restaurant. So I explain how to make my specialty hamburger steak. Flavor of the teriyaki. Yes, already vacuum pack and a 2-piece in there for 2. Maybe for 4. No, for 10. No, too small. For 2. Yes. This is for the, I think probably put in the boiling water. Maybe cooking time approximately 15 to 20 minutes. But if you want more shorter way to the for the microwave, maybe defrost fast and then put in the for the boiling water. Maybe you can make maybe 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah, tastes so good. Oishii! Let's cooking! Okay, put it make it boil water. And put it this hamburger steak. Yes, I said 10 to 12 minutes, but if you wanna cook more hot and maybe longer, I will check. So said I try to time 12 minutes. Okay, so it takes the 15 minutes. So this is very hot, be careful. Yeah, these are very hot. Yes, so plating. Yes, so after boil, just let scissor, be careful. Yeah, so in there is a 2-piece inside, so 1 plate, 1 piece is okay, but I put here so today 2-piece. Yeah, inside the sauce inside here. Yeah, I tried this one is a hamburger style. It's also very good. It's very tender. Yeah, teriyaki burger so good. Taste it. Just put in for the even daikon oroshi, grated daikon oroshi also good. Flavor. Even put in the wasabi also good. Okay, these are finished. Bon appetit. Itadakimasu. So yeah, you can DIY do it yourself. DIY Super Hero's Kitchen restaurant. You can cook yourself. Restaurant quality. Enjoy!